Have you ever sat in a presentation and wondered, why did the presenter put that image on screen that way? Or even worse, have you given a presentation and realized that you're losing your audience because they're trying to figure out what your image is on screen? Welcome to Effective PowerPoint Presentations, Part 3, a teacher helper video by me, Ashley Marshall. In this video, we're going to learn how to position images, how to size images, and how to cite images in PowerPoint. A picture really is worth 1,000 words, and I'm going to prove it to you like this. Do you see how effective this image is, even without narration or any words being spoken? And this is why we need to use pictures in our presentation, but not simply to use pictures, but to use them well. We need to make sure we put pictures in the right places, like these pictures here. Something is just not right. We know something's wrong because these pictures are not positioned or proportioned properly. And this is only marginally better here. But here you can see the pictures are roughly equal size and they're positioned somewhat proportionately on the page. The screen looks good. We can still use text on screen with photos, as we see here, a picture of General James Wolfe. But I've not put his entire name there, just his surname, so I can limit the amount of text on screen. We also see here his nemesis, the Marquis de Montcalm. Again, I've not put his entire name, but you can also see that the pictures are roughly the same size, relatively proportioned on the screen, and both names are put in proportion to where the photos are. The balance of the screen makes it attractive to the eye. We also have to be careful to use pictures of the correct size. If you select an image that's too small and then try to enlarge it, it looks all pixelated like this. Pixelated images are terrible. When you do a Google search for images, go to Search Tools and then select the size that you want. Make sure you're always searching for large images, and you can avoid the pixelation problem down the road when you put images into PowerPoint. You also want to avoid images with watermarks, like this one that says Getty Images Richard Cummins, or this one that says Bob Sugar 222 2007. Watermarks also look terrible on screen. Don't be lazy. Put some time in to search for the correct photo at the correct size and make sure it doesn't have a watermark. You also need to give some thought to the positioning of photos on the screen. You want to also look at the size of the photo, and you want to avoid using animations with photos. It just looks silly and childish. Remember the rule. Look at your screen from across the room when you think you're done. That way you can determine if everything has been done correctly or not. Like with this photo here, something's just not right. You could tell it's not correct. Remember, some of your audience will be sitting far away and some of them will have other people in the way. So, a good rule to remember is higher position for the photo, a larger picture size are usually better. Like this photo now. Look at how nice the photo looks on screen. It's properly sized, properly positioned, so that the viewers can enjoy the beauty of the painting. And look over here on the right side. The URL of the photo is listed, so you know that I, the person making the presentation, didn't take the photo or make the painting, and now you know where I got it from. You'll also notice that the URL is in low contrast. I don't want it to stick out on the screen, but I still want it to be there and visible. In this video, we've looked at how to position images, how to size images, and how to cite images. If you're interested in knowing how to plan an essay, structure an essay, and even write an essay, you'll want to check out Writing Effective Essays, another teacher helper video. Subscribe to us on YouTube and like us on Facebook.